How to recover deleted screen recording video on Android. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. To restore your screen recording videos, simply you need to open Photos or Gallery app on your device. After that, suppose if these are all my screen recording videos, and you can easily tap and hold here and tap the delete button at bottom right corner of the screen and delete this one of the screen recording item on your device. To restore that, simply what you need to do is tap on albums at the bottom center of the screen and then you will access to the album section. At the bottom of the screen, you will see recently deleted videos. Simply tap on it to access recently deleted videos. Now here you can see all your recently deleted videos including that screen recording video. Simply select any kind of screen recording video that you want to restore, and after that, here you got restore bottom or option at the bottom center of the screen or bottom left corner of the screen. Tap restore bottom and tap restore video, and after a while it will be easily restored on your device. That is how we recover deleted screen recording video on our Android device. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tricks videos. Thank you for watching.